115.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Aurora, Colorado. The Aurora Police Department is searching for 10-month-old Amaya Gordon, last seen in the 14900 block of East Alameda Parkway, about 10:45 this morning. Amaya is described as a black female with brown eyes and black hair, approximately 1 foot 7 inches tall, weighing 22 pounds. Amaya was last seen wearing a multicolored butterfly sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and pink Nike shoes, with an orange swoosh. Investigators believe Amaya may have been taken by Alexis Mears, described as an 18-year-old, black female with brown eyes, and black hair, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 110 pounds.
Oh no.
She was last seen wearing a black headscarf, a gray sweatshirt, red sweatpants, and black shoes. The two may be traveling in a white SUV that was last seen leaving the area in Aurora, Colorado. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911. 10 pounds. She was last seen wearing a black headscarf, a gray sweatshirt, red sweatpants, and black shoes. The two may be traveling in a white SUV that was last seen leaving the area in Aurora, Colorado. If you have any information, sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and pink Nike shoes, with an orange swoop. Potentially dangerous weather situations. The tone away would be
this bitch should get.
This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather date. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you are using the high frequency. The warning alarm code will be activated for hazardous launches and warnings for all north central and northeastern Colorado. Here is the forecast for Denver. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s.
Okay, so we got all the stations and all the radios. Let's go. Just had an Amber Alert activation. Fuck. I just saw KOA.
This is CPR News, 90.1 FM, KCFR Denver.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in the city and county of Denver. The Denver Police Department is searching for 11-month-old Riot Garner, last seen in the 5800 block of East 30th Avenue in Denver about 11:20 this morning. Riot is described as a white male 1 foot 6 inches tall, and weighing 25 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Investigators believe Riot may have been taken by Anwar Rhodes, described as a black male, 6 feet tall, weighing 180 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a gray Audi A4 with Colorado license plate ALWH70 that was last seen near the 5800 block of East 30th Avenue in Denver. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
True, they're rebelling.
child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in the city and county of Denver. The Denver Police Department is searching for 11-month-old Riot Garner.
Yeah.
Of course, I forgot it was weekly day.
This is the National Weather Service office in Boulder. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the tone alert will be activated to warn of the impending danger. This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you are using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all of north central and northeastern Colorado. The 10 a.m. observations around northeast.
Of course, I forgot it was weekly day. Oh well, that was an early one too. It's only 11:04. Wow.
Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child. The Westminster Police Department is searching for 13-year-old Alexis Bradford, last seen in the vicinity of 120th Avenue and Melody Drive about 11 o'clock this morning. Announcement regarding an abducted child. The Westminster Police Department is searching for 13-year-old Alexis Bradford. Drive about 11 o'clock. Sports scene wearing a black beanie, a black and white checkered flannel, and dark pants. They may be traveling in a...
In la India, for the following locations in Colorado: the Northern Front Range foothills, including Estes Park Network, and the Southern Front Range foothills, including Idaho Springs. From 8 p.m. this evening to 5 morning in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour. Where? The Front Range foothills. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and scattered power outages may result. Travel will be difficult, especially
I'm gonna see if I can turn on my phone flash.
Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
Doubleheader. Alright, I'm gonna reset. Wait a second.
Warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, Castle Rock, high wind warning in effect from midnight tonight to the Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Southwest wind 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Where? The Palmer Divide, including Castle Rock and Monument. When? From midnight tonight to the Mountain Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects and scattered power
It's so
outages
loud.
may
Oh my
result.
god.
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile
2 in the morning.
vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.
Triple header?
The Denver, Colorado
Nope.
climate somewhere.
Whoa.
This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following, in Colorado, Boulder, and the western suburbs of Denver, high wind warning in effect until noon Mountain Standard Time Friday.
High wind warning got expanded.
West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. The until noon Mountain Standard Time Friday. Following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow down unsecured objects following 24 hours as a result. It will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Watch for falling debris and limbs. Use caution if you must drive. This is a high wind
Okay.
National Weather Service.
This
For the following locations
is
in
yet to
Colorado,
receive its
the
first
northern
alert.
Front Range foothills, including
And it was just on when I turned it off.
Southern Front Range foothills.